This is Mrs. Satterley, and this video is your Destiny Quest narrowing your search tutorial. Say you want to find a book about science. If you are changing the subject from a previous search, you might want to click here. If you type in science, even before you finish the word, a drop-down menu shows there are 884 books available with the word or related to the word science. You might want to narrow this to a concept in science like space. There are 216 results for space. So what can you do? Try to narrow your search box to the left here. Move to the word subject and click. A pop-up box appears. You can choose these topics to help narrow what you have in mind. Let's explore aeronautics to see what that is. That narrows 216 books down to 3. So the airplane book looks interesting. Let's click once on that. It shows where you can find the book in the library here. You can easily add that to your list here. Or you can jot down the call number and go find your books in the library.